Good morning, students. It's a video of computer subject for class 10th. Okay, students. And today's topic is web services. Okay. What the web services? That is the first question. Web services are the services or application available via web through the use of specific protocol. There are diverse web services available today, for example chat, email, video conferencing, social networking, etc. In coming section we are going to talk about common web services that we use in our day-to-day life. What are the web services? Any services and any application which are provided through the web pages, that is called the web services. Okay. And web services are used specific protocol to transfer the data from one place to another place. Okay. And there are a lot of web services, example like chat, email, video conferencing, social networking site. In the current time, most of people are use the web services like chatting. In the current time, we are use the WhatsApp, Facebook, and any other social networking site which are used. They are provide the facility for chatting. What the chatting? Chatting means online textual talk is called the chatting. Means if you are talking with the help of type message, that process is called the chatting. If you don't use any audio and video, you simply type the characters and letters and you write the only sentences. That process is called the chat. Okay, students. Chatting is one of popular services of internet. Chatting is like a text phone. In the telephonic conversation, you say something, people hear it and respond. You hear their response on the spot and can reply instant. In the same manner, in the chatting, you can type a message your screen which immediately received by the recipient. Then the recipient can type a message in response to your message which is received by the instant. Okay, means okay, just like when we are talking about talk to any person with the help of phone. On that condition, we firstly spoke something, and after that another person replied the reply. Okay, but in the case of chatting, firstly you type any message to that person, and after that person reply. Okay. And second is email. Email stand for electronic mail. Oh, okay, students. Email stand for electronic mail. It is most widely used tool to send messages electronically through the computer on a network. Means just like chatting, email is provide some advanced facility. Okay, with the help of email we can send any message from one person to another person through the computer. Okay, students, with the help of email we can send any audio and video, and even education file or also we can send. Look, the most widely used tool on the internet is electronic mail or email. Email is used to send written messages between the individual or group of individual. often geographical, separated by the large distance. Email messages are generally sent from and received by mail server, computer that are dedicated to processing and directing email. Once a server has received a message, it directs it to the specific computer that the mail is addressed to. To send email, the process is reversed. A very convenient and inexpensive way to transmit message. Email has electric, scientific, and personal and business communication. When we send any message with the help of email, what happened behind this? Firstly, that message transferred to the server. Server means every where your message is firstly received. After that, their server transfer your message to uh, desired person, means where desired person, and same when another person send reply any message. Firstly, that message transfer to the server, and after that server transfer to that first person. Okay, students, this is the main process. And that's all for today. Thank you, students.